In this video, let me show you how to link the Wells Fargo to PayPal. So if you're trying to link one of your accounts or one of your cards to PayPal, in this video, let me show you on how it is done. This is a quite straightforward and easy process. All you want to do is open up the PayPal mobile application, and once you're inside, you just need to head over to the wallet section where you'll be able to see the option of adding in a card or a bank to the PayPal section. Just tap on the add card or add bank option and you'll be able to add in your checkings or savings as well as debit or credit card. So you just need to add in your information. If you have the Wells Fargo application all logged in on your device as well, you can just tap on the login to Wells Fargo so that you can enter in your credentials instead of having to add in the account number manually. So once you've done that and once you confirm it, your account of Wells Fargo or your card of Wells Fargo will be immediately added and linked with PayPal. So this is the exact process that you can follow. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.